Billionaires in the United States represent a small but influential segment of society characterized by immense wealth, diverse backgrounds, and significant influence in various industries. Among this group have been at least 3 individuals from the small island of Puerto Rico. Now, when I say from the island of Puerto Rico, I'm referring to actual Puerto Ricans whose roots come from several generations of family on the island. Now, these individuals have not only acquired immense wealth, they have also remembered where they came from. Our first billionaire is Rick Elias, who is worth an estimated $2 billion. Born in San Juan, Puerto Rico in 1967, Elias is the CEO and co-founder of Red Ventures, an American media company that owns and operates brands such as Lonely Planet, CNET, ZDNet, The Points Guy, Healthline, and Bankrate. In 2017, in the wake of Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico, Rick Elias launched Rebuild Puerto Rico, a nonprofit with the goal of raising at least $10 million to help his home country. He also pledged to personally match donations up to $5 million. And then in 2018, he launched Forward 787, a social enterprise committed to raising and deploying $100 million to build businesses in Puerto Rico that compete with the world's top companies. Also, an interesting fact about Rick Elias was that he was a survivor of Flight 1549, an event which drastically changed his life. For those that don't know, Flight 1549 was a U.S. Airways airplane that took off from LaGuardia Airport in New York. While ascending, the plane hit a flock of geese that damaged both of its engines. Fortunately, the pilot was able to miraculously land the plane on the Hudson River, and there were no casualties. They even made a movie about it called Sully. Our second billionaire is Jose E. Feliciano. Feliciano's wealth is estimated at $3.8 billion. Born in 1973 in Santurce, Puerto Rico, Feliciano is the co-founder of Clear Lake Capital Group, a private equity firm founded in 2006 that focuses on technology, industrial, and consumer sectors. Clear Lake Capital is one of the largest private equity firms in the world. The firm is headquartered in Santa Monica, California. Feliciano had funded and led programs to help Puerto Rico, such as Private Equity for Puerto Rico, which was formed during the Hurricane Maria crisis to provide resources for relief, recovery, and rebuilding efforts on the island. Feliciano also formed, along with his wife, the Kwanzaa Jones and Jose E. Feliciano Initiative, a grant-making and impact investment organization that seeks to empower both nonprofit and profit ventures, especially those of the most marginalized communities. And the third billionaire on the list is Orlando Bravo. Bravo's wealth is estimated to be $8 billion. Born in 1970 in Mayagüez, Puerto Rico, he is the co-founder and managing partner of Thamo Bravo, a private equity investment firm headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, that specializes in software and technology-enabled service sectors. The French Business School, HEC Paris, in conjunction with Dow Jones, named his firm Thamo Bravo the best performing buyout investor in the world after studying 898 funds raised between 2005 and 2014. In the wake of Hurricane Maria, which devastated the island of Puerto Rico, Bravo donated $10 million through the Bravo Family Foundation's Podemos Puerto Rico Fund. Aid included chartering planes to carry cargo, including satellite phones, water purifiers, medicine, and diapers. And in 2019, he committed an additional $100 million to the foundation to promote entrepreneurship and economic development in Puerto Rico through training programs in economics, business, and technology, specifically aimed at developing young entrepreneurs and community leaders on the island. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Help us to spread this video by sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos.